Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Then tap on the settings option to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the system option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the language option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it, and it's gonna be applied after a couple of seconds. So when you open the menu, you will see that the language changed. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can always use the Garmin Connect application to change the language on your watch. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you can tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, select the Venu 3S. On this page, scroll down, tap on the system, and then select the language option. And here you will see the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use, tap on it to select it, and it should be applied on your watch. If it doesn't want to apply, you can try to basically resync the devices. So you can go to the device page of your, or rather My Day page of the app, and tap on the sync button right here, and it's gonna resync the watch with your phone, and that should make the settings apply. And when you wake up the screen and open the menu, you will see that the language changed. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.